have we got some exciting
to
news.
share with you.
Come join us as we
Build our barn-inspired shed home.
To make it official, Mrs. Wild is going to break the ground for the first time. Take it away. Yeah!
Wow!
It's happening. It's finally happening. Here is the positioning of our new home. Mrs. Wild will now take you for a tour through what will be our home.
Here is the front. Got the stairs to the front veranda or porch, through the glass sliding door and into the main living area. So over here will be the kitchen, bench along here, fridge, island, and then dining and lounge area. And then to the left here, we will have a large pantry store in this room. And then coming in here will be one of the wildlings' bedrooms, and then the other wildlings' bedroom at the back there. Going across the house, in this corner, we have a little hallway and a bathroom. We have a vanity, shower, and then down here, toilet. This room will be our study / library. And then at the very back will be the master bedroom, wardrobes along here, and a view out the window here. Then at the very back of our living space, we'll have another sliding door, double slider, hopefully, and our back veranda, which will be so lovely to sit out here of an evening with an ale and enjoy the view of the creek. We'll head back out the front.
I hope you enjoyed that brief tour of our home sweet home. This is a kit home
that we look forward to the challenge of building with our own bare hands.
So there you have it. That's our plan. That's our dream. Like, subscribe so you don't miss a moment of the fun, adventure and mayhem of this Wild Ozsteading adventure. Catch you later. I hope you enjoyed that brief tour of our planned home sweet home.
That was not what you said
No.
before.
No. What was it? See?
Brief tour of...
As we
fulfill our dream.
Yep.
Fulfill our long-held dream of building.
I forgot to mention that we're going to build it, didn't we? We haven't mentioned that.
Of building our home with our own hands.
Rightio. So like, subscribe. No, it's not. So like, subscribe. No, there should be no so at the front. Yep.
Because we'll no doubt talk about it